The story of Nandi. Nandi, the sacred bull of Lord Shiva, is revered and loved by all of us. He is also called Nandishvara or Nandikeshvara. He is an ardent worshipper of Lord Shiva. He is depicted as a Vahana or a vehicle to Lord Shiva, along with being the principal guardian of Kailasha, the abode of Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati. There is no Shiva temple where Nandi is not present. Today, in our Vidya Parampara video, let us learn about the origins of Nandi and how he came to be associated with Lord Shiva. Maharishi Shilada desired to have Lord Shiva born to him as his child. The Maharishi undertook severe austerities and penances to appease the Lord. As a result of his deep devotion, Lord Shiva blessed him. Soon, the Maharishi found a baby encrusted with diamond armor. The child was named Nandi. The name Nandi means giver of delight or giver of joy. Owing to his father's influence, Nandi grew up to be a staunch devotee of Lord Shiva. When Nandi was 7 years old, Lord Mitra and Varuna visited sage Shilada and revealed to him that Nandi was destined to live only up to the age of 8. A heartbroken Shilada revealed this to Nandi, who, upon seeing his father's agony, resolved to appease Lord Shiva and change his fate. Such was his staunch belief in the Lord. Pleased with Nandi's devotion, the benevolent Lord Uma Maheshwara granted him the boon of being an eternal companion to the Lord himself. Further, he was given the face of a bull and the body of a human along with 4 limbs. He was made the head of all the Shivaganas, thus always being in proximity to Lord Shiva, which was his fervent desire. From here on, Nandi became the foremost devotee of Lord Shiva. Legend also states that Nandi, in his devotion to the Lord, partook the few drops of dangerous halahala poison that spilled from Lord Shiva's hands as he was consuming it during the churning of the ocean to save the world, thus surprising everyone. He amazed the gods and demons with his devotion to the Lord Shiva. Nandi learned the Shaiva Siddhanta Dharma from Lord Shiva, who himself is also addressed as Nandi, and gave the Nandinatha Sampradaya to all his disciples. His disciples include the Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanat Kumara, and Sanatana, the 4 mind-born sons of Lord Brahma, Tirumular, Vyagrapada, Shivayoga Muni, and Patanjali. Nandi is believed to be the head of the 18 Siddhars in Hinduism. A symbol to uphold Dharma, Nandi is present in the flag of Lord Shiva. Nandi is also a Shakti Upasaka and gave Nandi Vidya to the world. It is believed that he received the divine knowledge of the Agamas and Tantric wisdom from Devi Parvati herself. The worship of Nandi is prominent on all days when Lord Shiva is celebrated, be it the monthly Pradosham or Mahashivaratri. Nandi symbolizes purity, justice, wisdom, power, and total surrender to Lord Shiva. In every temple, we always find Nandi facing Lord Shiva and sitting patiently, looking at him with concentration. This is a symbol for how the Jivatma should always be turned towards Parameshwara, leaving out all the distractions of the world. So, let us be like the fortunate Nandi who rewrote his fate by pure bhakti and turn our mind with bhakti towards Lord Uma Maheshwara.